Okay, so this is a quick update to the vid I did a couple of days ago, which I'll delete. It's now complete, this install. It's Kronoswiss Aquastop, surprise, surprise, but in the 12mm, natural oak grey. I think I've only done one or two of these before. And again, you forget how nice they are when they go down. It's hard to tell by just looking at a 20% of a board in a swatch. But yeah, it's a really nice board. Nice to use the 12s instead of the 14s, which weigh 7 kilos, swinging them around, you know, knackering your blades. So yeah, it's been enjoyable. I've actually had really bad tennis elbow doing this job, so probably take me a couple of days longer than it should have done. But I think because I took it slowly, the attention to detail is right up there with, you know, in my 3 top installs. We'll have a quick look around. It's a lovely townhouse, owned by the lovely Eve, who's been a lovely host. Lots of cups of tea. She's an absolute delight. So makes you put in the extra effort when you've got a lovely client. This 2 downstairs areas were rigidly carpeted, and the client was going to tile them. But I think she made the right decision, and the house flows beautifully now. So yeah, these are all a kind of brown, beigey carpet, a little bit tired. So she's in the process of moving back in. She emptied all the rooms, which was brilliant. So yeah, usual T's in front of the sliding doors. They go into a rail which is screwed into the slab. So instead of your kind of edging of your laminate floating around, not being held down, it's bound down really tight, like as if a skirt's set on it. So you won't get any flicks. Skirts were off. They just need a little bit of a fill. Coat of paint. Put a nice L in front of the island or bench. Again, a T holds down the boards again, and T with a nice little mitre. So yeah, nice and neat and tidy. So the original job was just the stairs and the upstairs. So these stairs, I'm going to do a separate video. I kind of threw away my trusty jig that I made from a YouTube video by a guy in America, and it's a shame because he's got about 3 versions of them now, and he's got one sort of professionally made, but they don't ship them to Australia. So I copied it from a video where you made your own, and it was good, and I just tried a different technique, and it's just the best staircase I've ever done. So I'm going to go over that in a separate video for people who want to do stairs. So yeah, oh, and also bought a brand new miter saw, a Bosch one, and the precision of the saw is unbelievable. You can actually, you know, cut a miter like the correct way, like with the saw bent over to 45 degrees on its side, so you can get these miters here are absolutely spot on. That one as well. These ones just comes up beautifully. So all this stair nose is made by Kronoswiss, custom stair nose. How they get it to work, there's a company here that will make it for you in Seaford, but they use 23 gauge secret nails, and it just fractures the boards a little bit. So I don't know what they stick it with and how they cut it. But so what I do, I'm going to go over that in a second video. But yeah, really pleased with these stairs. They just fit really tight. I hardly use any cork. And I just wish I could buy cork that would be tinted to the colour I wanted. The best cork for this is No More Nails, the real expensive one. And that's what I used to stick it down with at the top. Just cork that a bit. So yeah, when you bang 2 together, they cut. almost looks like one board. This is one of the bedrooms. Skirts off. Little closet. Undercut the central divider. It's all nice and neat. No silicone anywhere on any of my jobs. Apart from one where I have to go around the waterfall, stone waterfall. That was a couple of months ago. Again, nice tees, hold it all down tight. Use them as well to transition to carpet. Again, I would have put L's normally on bathrooms, but tees just look better. Same there. Took the rail up, threw away the bit of MDF, that like 10 or 12 mil, chuck it away and slam the rail straight onto the floor, and you see it all just flows in. I just hate, if I can avoid trims I would, but I'm always going to put T-moulds at doors now. I just think it's good practice with, if one room's cool and the hall's got heated up, maybe 10 degrees warmer than the bedroom, then, they can independently move a few mil perhaps. Again, smash the rail up, put it back down, skirts off. And master bedroom. Another lovely robe. Beautiful little unit. This bedrooms are huge. And that's just there to. Oops. Yeah, it's just there to hold it down. I'll leave that box for the client in case any of the boards look damaged. I'll just come back and fix it. So that's it. It took me a couple of days longer than it should have done, but I think definitely up there in the top 3. I don't know how many floors I've done, 150, and I'm still learning. What you do, just keep learning, and I hope I'm getting better and better. I'm pretty happy with my installs, clients seem to be happy. Yeah, natural oak grey, Kronoswiss, it's in the 12 mil range. Feel no flex anywhere. I concentrate on all the planks. Some people just smash them down out of the box and end up with the same plank design next to each other. Not in any of my installs. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I know it's a little bit long, but if you think the finest colour, it's nice to have a really good look. Back on the old gimbal. So yeah, really proud of this one. Thanks for watching. Smash a like on it. That's if you like it.